Welcome to Hydraulic and Pneumatic Products. In this video, we introduce our company and what we offer. We are known for quality work and strong customer satisfaction. Hydraulic and Pneumatic Products provides complete hydraulic solutions. We help you with all your hydraulic system needs. Our goal is to guide you with practical and effective ideas. Our experienced team focuses on building long-term relationships. We work for the success and satisfaction of every customer. Our team supports you with dedication and commitment. When customers have questions, our service team responds quickly and resolves them. Customer support is an important link between us and our clients, so our team stays updated and knowledgeable. Hydraulic and Pneumatic Products mainly manufactures air-cooled oil coolers. These coolers protect hydraulic systems, gearboxes, and engines. They help reduce excess heat and improve working efficiency. Our aim is to provide the best quality air-cooled oil coolers. Every cooler is tested using hydro and air testing methods. We have a well-developed setup for design and manufacturing. We supply coolers for a wide range of industrial applications. We offer technology and quality at an affordable price. This motivates us to grow and improve continuously. Our products are widely used in many industries. These include automotive, manufacturing, construction, mining, and aerospace. HPP is a trusted choice for these industrial needs. We monitor our work process carefully. This ensures we maintain quality at every step. We check project progress regularly. This helps us deliver the best products to our customers. According to HPP, quality depends on every stage of production. We follow strict standards. Our design team listens to your needs. We offer the right solutions at the right price. We have a skilled and experienced design team that understands customer requirements and provides the most suitable solutions at competitive prices. We ensure on-time delivery and also offer site installation support whenever needed. Our customers receive 24/7 online and offline assistance with immediate updates on their orders and queries. Our support team is trained to answer questions clearly and provide useful feedback. Good customer service not only solves problems, but also helps us build strong and long-lasting relationships with our clients. Now we would be glad to show you the range of products we offer. Air-cooled oil coolers that are highly efficient, environmentally friendly, and built for long service life. Worm gear screw jacks built with strong industrial materials for high tensile strength. Hydraulic cylinders designed to be strong, durable, and long-lasting. We manufacture large-size hydraulic intensifiers designed for long-lasting performance. HPP hydraulic cylinders are manufactured using the latest technology. Our power packs deliver reliable and consistent power for hydraulic systems. We export to countries like Nepal, Vietnam, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, Kazakhstan, and Oman. Our esteemed clients include ISJAC, Sona, Endurance, Honda, Jindal, JBM, Borg Warner, Inexco, and BHEL. For further information and inquiries, visit our website www.hppgroup.in or connect with us through the contact number provided.